Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to another plant care session with Succulents Box. Today, we're talking about why spider plant leaves turn translucent, what it means, and how to fix it so your plant can bounce back strong. The first thing to know is translucent leaves aren't the same as yellow or brown ones. Instead of changing color, these leaves look faded, soft, and almost ghostly. When you hold one up to the light, it might seem semi-transparent, like it's lost its color and strength from the inside. That's usually a sign that the plant cells are collapsing, moisture is out of balance, or the leaf's structure is breaking down. And once that starts happening, the leaf may feel weak or limp to the touch. Most of the time, it comes down to stress. That is, something in your plant's environment is off. First up, overwatering. If the soil stays soggy, roots can start to rot. And when roots rot, they can't deliver water or nutrients. That's when the leaves begin to break down from the inside, turning soft and see-through. Then there's underwatering. When the soil's too dry for too long, the plant cells lose moisture and collapse. The leaves get limp, shriveled, and sometimes develop a thin, ghostly look. Low light can also be a culprit. Spider plants need bright, indirect light to produce chlorophyll. Without it, new growth comes in pale and weak, and over time, parts of the leaf may look translucent. Another possibility is nutrient deficiency. If your plant's not getting enough essentials like nitrogen, it can't build strong, healthy leaves. They may look dull, thin, or washed out. Tap water can be a problem too. Chemicals like fluoride or salts can build up in the soil and stress the roots, leading to weak, damaged leaves. And lastly, pests. Bugs like spider mites or thrips feed on the sap inside the leaves. Their damage often shows up as faded or translucent spots. The good news? Most of these issues can be fixed once you figure out what's going wrong. Starting with the soil, stick your finger in a couple inches deep. If it's wet or soggy, let it dry out completely before watering again. Make sure your pot has drainage holes. If things are really waterlogged, you may need to repot using a lighter mix, something like potting soil with added perlite or bark for better drainage. If the soil feels bone dry and the plant's limp, give it a deep watering. Let water flow out of the bottom of the pot, then let it drain fully, no sitting in water. This rehydrates the plant while protecting the roots. Next, check your light situation. Spider plants love bright, indirect light. If yours is in a dark corner, move it near an east or north-facing window. If it's been getting harsh direct sun, pull it back a bit. Too much sun can actually stress the leaves too. Water quality check. If you've been using a tap water, switch to distilled, filtered, or rainwater. These are gentler and won't leave behind the salts or chemicals that can mess with root health. Now think about nutrition. During spring and summer, feed your plant with a diluted liquid fertilizer about once a month. This keeps its nutrient levels steady and supports strong, healthy growth. Don't forget pest control. Look under the leaves and near the stem for bugs or webbing. If you see anything, treat with neem oil or insecticidal soap. You might need to reapply every few days to fully get rid of them. And if some of the leaves are too far gone, yellow, mushy, fully translucent, go ahead and trim them. Use clean scissors and snip them near the base. That helps redirect energy to healthy leaves and makes room for new growth. If you catch it early and make the right changes. If the issue is temporary, like light stress or little underwatering, your plant should bounce back pretty quickly. New leaves will come in healthy and the whole plant will perk up. But if the problem's been going on for a while, especially if there's root rot or major pest damage, those affected leaves won't recover. In that case, prune off the damaged leaves so the plant can focus its energy on healthy new growth. And that's it. Everything you need to know about translucent spider plant leaves and how to help your plant bounce back. Thanks for joining us today. If you've dealt with this issue before or have a trick that worked for you, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips. Until next time, happy planting.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.